morning. Just waking up here. It's about 6:30. Stayed in a truck stop last night. I'm on my way down to Central California to do an inspection on a, I think it's a 2020 Forest River Sunseeker. It's a Class C motorhome. I thought I'd take you guys along with me. So when I get down that way, we'll take a look at it. It's a beautiful morning on 680 going south, East Bay, California. Love this area. It's very refined. If you want to test the strength of your camper repair, get on California Highway 680 from Fairfield to San Jose. If it doesn't break, you're good. This is the worst road I've ever been on. Good job, California. All right, I made it to Gilroy Johnson RV Center. All right, so 2019 Forest River Sunseeker 24 MB. The full wall slide, 24 MBS. Full wall slide with a queen bed. It's an RV queen. Privacy curtain. Dometic two-way refrigerator. It's got the Onan generator, diesel. Or sorry, Onan propane generator. Shower stall, foot flush toilet, sink. Microwave convection oven, Furrion gas range, cooktop, stainless steel sink with covers, overhead bunk. This is also a queen. Mercedes chassis with the 3-liter diesel. Full wall awning, frameless windows, gas electric water heater, 6-gallon, suburban furnace. This is a propane coach. Backup camera and side cameras. Your side cameras here. On a 3600 LP generator. This is on the dually 1-ton chassis. very clean coach. I found a few sealant issues, which I find on just about every motorhome, fifth wheel, travel trailer, whatever it happens to be. I always find cracked sealant issues. Very minor issues on the inside, on the interior, just like putty that wasn't cleaned up. But this is a 2019, so you know it's 3 years old, and yeah, it's real clean. I really dig that full wall slide floor plan with the queen bed in the back and the bunk, the extended cab over bunk. All right, well that's it. I'm done with that inspection. I'm gonna go find myself a place to camp. Head over the Pacheco Pass, see if we can find a campground over at the San Luis Reservoir. What the hell is going on over here? Oh, major house fire. Holy crap. Oh man, that whole place is going up. Man, that looked like he had a burn pile and it got away from him. It spread to the fence, and then from the fence to the garage, and it was catching the house on fire. And there weren't any first responders there yet. That's crazy. There were a bunch of people standing out there on their phones. Yeah, it's still April. There's San Luis Reservoir. It's down about 40 feet last time I saw it. But all the hills are already brown, dry. Well, I was gonna try to camp here at this San Luis Creek recreation area, but it is super windy here. And I got on their website, and there's no, I knew there was no power. It's a dry camping campground, but they seem to be all full up. I'm not gonna go there, so I'm gonna keep going. There's a KOA down here. Might just plug in, get my report done, and then I'm heading to Fresno after this. Looks pretty neat out there though. Try it another time.